Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa, in case you are new here. So as you saw by the title, we are finally, I'm so excited, going to be cleaning out my closet. I've done a couple other Konmari inspired videos on my channel. I'll make sure I link those below or up in a card. But the one I've been looking forward to most and I've been putting off the most, ironically, is my closet. Every morning I come in here, I am just like reminded by how much stuff in here, like I never ever wear. I have stuff in here from high school. I'm just like, I don't know what the heck it is. I have crop tops in here. I don't wear crop tops. I don't know who the heck I think I am. So anyway, all that stuff needs to go. So we're gonna go ahead and go through everything. We're probably not gonna go item by item because we will literally be here all day with this video. So I'm probably gonna do a time lapse, but here and there I'm gonna show you some things, probably some common themes of things I'm getting rid of. One of the things you'll notice in my closet, let me take you in here with me. You'll notice I have a favorite color. I wear a lot of white. I like whites, I like pinks, and honestly, everything down here, there's a couple things I wear, but I really just don't gravitate towards darker colors. I feel like they make me look mean. I know that that sounds super strange, but every time I wear black or like a really dark color, I just feel like I don't look as happy. So I just prefer to wear lighter colors. As you can see, I tried to organize some stuff over here. This isn't, it's kind of working, it's kind of not working. This one in particular, I never wear anything in that bin, so I think pretty much everything in there needs to go. Some of those skirts up in this bin need to go. I'm from the Northeast, so I have a ton of Uggs. I can't say that I wear them super frequently, and I can't say that I'm ready to get rid of them for when I do make trips up there in the snow, so I probably will end up keeping those. I keep all of my boots up here. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but unfortunately my closet isn't super huge. This is kind of it, and then I have a little mirror over here, this little janky setup. It's a disaster. But yeah, the priority today isn't necessarily going to be to organize. I might do that in a part 2 video, but the priority today is to get rid of stuff that I don't wear. And later in this video, we are actually going to go to Clothes Mentor. It's a consignment shop that opened up in Jacksonville pretty recently, and I'm going to take my stuff there and see if I can sell it. And then all the stuff that doesn't sell, they have a Goodwill right across the street. So this, whatever doesn't sell, we're going to go right across the street directly to Goodwill. That way it doesn't make its way back into my house. So anyway, if you're excited for this video, just keep on watching. Make sure you like it. Make sure you comment below. Let me know if you have done any Konmari style cleaning in your house, because I would love to know. And I'm gonna put you back on the tripod and let's just get right on in to this closet clean out. I hope y'all enjoy. Okay, I have a serious problem. Sometimes, and let me know if you guys are like this, when I find something that I like, I buy in every single color. I don't know why I do that, but I'm sure we'll find another scenario of this in my closet. But these are Old Navy dresses, and they're like bodycon style. They're like t-shirt dresses, but they're tight fitting and they're stretchy. I really loved these maybe 2 years ago. I felt like they were figure flattering, they fit in all the right places, but I just don't wear tight stuff anymore. Not ever, but like in general, I'm not gonna wear something that's short and tight, which these are. Actually, one of these still has a price tag on them, so one of them I didn't even get to. But I haven't worn these all summer, and the summer's almost over, so I'm gonna say goodbye to these, and that's it. Goodbye. Okay, a couple of other things that I'm finding. I kind of actually threw these on the floor when I was trying to wear this to work recently, and it didn't fit. I love this dress, but it just doesn't fit right anymore. This is from Loft. It was a petite. Petite only fits me if I get a medium, so anyway, you don't need to know that. But yeah, I love this dress, but it just doesn't fit me anymore. I haven't worn it all summer, so I need to say goodbye to it. This dress as well, I got this from Nordstrom Rack, and I really like the print, but it's a little too short on me, and every time I tried to wear it to work, I would just before I would leave the door, I'd be like, nah, it just looks a little too short. So I'm gonna get rid of that. This is probably a junior's dress, so I don't know. I don't think I should be shopping in the junior section anymore because I feel like the stuff just doesn't fit me the way that I like stuff to fit me at this phase in my life. So I also have this top. I have a lot. I wore this so many times and I really liked it when I used to wear it. I would wear it with like Daisy Duke like denim shorts, and it was so adorable. It has, or it is really cute. It's like a peasant top. You could kind of wear it off the shoulder or off one shoulder, but it's seen better days. I've had a lot of good times in it, but it's time to go. I haven't worn it all summer, so I'm just gonna say goodbye. Another dress that has been in my closet for too long. This is from Nordstrom. It's by the brand Lush. It is really cute, but I haven't worn it all summer. It's flowy on the bottom. I feel like it's just a little, again, it's just like a little too short for what I like right now. The other problem, and this is just me, but things that have like a wrap top, I theoretically love that, but every time I try to wear it, I just feel like it's too low cut for me. I sound really like not fun about my clothing choices nowadays, but I swear that's not the case. I don't know. I don't like it when I have to like make too many accommodations to clothes. I like when they're just easy and I can throw it on and it works. I don't like when I have to like do this, this, and this and tie it here and pin it here. If that's the case, then like, no, then I'm not interested. Okay. These pajama shorts, I have had these since college. Look how tiny these are. They've been in the dryer so many times that I feel like they've just shrunk. I got these as a birthday present from my college roommate, Molly. So I don't know if Molly watches my videos, but Molly, I've had these pajama shorts for almost 10 years. I loved them so much, but they are so short. And they've seen better days, but it's time to say goodbye. Okay, so you guys know how I mentioned that wearing darker colors just doesn't make me happy. Here's an example. This shirt, it's inside out, but it's from Express. I have this shirt in like every color they make, but this one I actually don't mind having in every color. No, let me take that back. I don't mind having it in all of the lighter colors because I wear all of those to work super frequently. But this darker one, as pretty as it is, and I think it's just beautiful. I love the actual color, but I don't love it on me. When I wear this, I feel like I just look, I don't know, something about when I see myself in darker colors, I just like don't like how it looks. So this is really pretty. I have a feeling Clothes Mentor will take something like this because I know that they look for women's clothing that women can wear to work and whatnot. So I'm gonna try to sell this, and I know that somebody else will really like this. Okay, this is a crop top from BB. I don't know how long I've had this, but I know I've enjoyed many good nights in it, but I don't foresee myself ever wearing a crop top. Not ever again, but just not my thing anymore, so we're gonna say goodbye to that. Here's another black crop top, so I can definitely say goodbye to this because I don't like wearing black and I want to get rid of my crop tops, so bye! Paid a pretty penny for this, and it's really not that like, oh my god, how pretty. Like, definitely keep that, but it is so soft. But I have so many nicer looking sweatshirts that I could wear, or like cardigans, so I just don't know if I really need this, but it's so soft. I'm gonna put this in the maybe pile, but this is an easy goodbye. It's a black shirt that I never wear, so. This is another one of my favorite dresses that I bought in 2 colors. I remember when I ordered this, I was so excited about it. I ordered it from like some sketchy website and it took like 8 weeks to get here. But it's an asymmetrical bottom and I wore this to a bachelorette party. I love this dress so much, but it's a little bit, I don't know. I just haven't worn it in so long, so I just need to say goodbye to it. And I know that if I was going to an event tomorrow, if I was going to a bachelorette party, this wouldn't be what I would reach for. I would want something new. So I just need to remember that when I'm like struggling to hold on to if I want to hold on to something or not. I probably will never wear this, so I just need to accept that I liked it, I wore it, and now it's time to go. Okay, so I'm really glad I did that second pass before wrapping it up, because I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more things that I was willing to get rid of. Granted, I'm gonna try on these dresses real fast and this top and make sure that I want to get rid of them. But guys, look how much stuff. Maybe the pile doesn't look huge, but it's a big pile of stuff. So I'm excited. We're gonna get rid of all of this. And I can tell that there's more space. You guys probably can't, but there definitely is more space on this bottom rack. So happy about that. Now let's see how much money we can get. We are gonna actually, I forgot, we're gonna run through my shoes really quick because I think there's a couple pair of sneakers that I want to try and sell as well. Okay, don't mind my room. I haven't made my bed yet, but I'm actually happy I tried this dress on. I actually do like it and I'm gonna keep it. I haven't worn it in such a long time, but it's been in the back of my closet, but I think it's pretty. I'll try to wear it this fall. It is a darker color, but I actually do like it. It's brown, so it's not as harsh. All right, so this one fits, but it's just not my, it's just not my vibe. So I'm gonna get rid of this one. I don't know. Do you guys like it? I don't know. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. I'm gonna get rid of it. Okay, so I have a couple pairs of shoes that I'm gonna try to sell. I haven't worn these. These are, okay, maybe I wore them like once. Haven't worn those. Haven't worn these. These have been on my Poshmark forever and they haven't sold, so let's just go ahead and try to sell those today. Okay guys, so I just got home from Clothes Mentor. They took about 20-25 items and I got 65 bucks, so that was awesome. And then I just went ahead and dropped off the remaining stuff at Goodwill. Sorry I didn't get a clip of that, but overall I would say a success. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe if you like content like this. I would love to have you here, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.